Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Zap in Zapier. A Zap is just an automation that connects two or more apps together, so they can work automatically without you doing the manual work. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to zapier.com. Log into your account, or sign up if you're new. Once you're on the dashboard, click on the button that says Create Zap. Now, Zaps have two parts, a trigger and an action. For the trigger, choose the app and event that will start your automation. For example, I'll search for Gmail and choose New Email as the trigger. Then connect your Gmail account and test it so Zapier can pull in a sample email. Next, set up the action. This is what Zapier will do automatically when the trigger happens. Let's say I want new emails saved into Google Sheets. I'll select Google Sheets as the app, then choose Create Spreadsheet row. After connecting my Google Sheets account, I'll choose the specific spreadsheet and map the email data to the right columns. When everything is set, click Test Action to make sure it works properly. If the test is successful, click Publish Zap. And that's it too, just created your first Zap. From now on, Zapier will run this automation for you in the background. You can repeat the same process with thousands of apps like Slack, Notion, or Trello to save time and stay organized. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.